Hey people, so after long I'm doing this video where I'm being seen on the camera. So I just have to say this that as of yesterday I had this watermelon that was, I don't know, yeah, watermelon these days they are injecting some kind of red chemical so that it reddens the watermelon. And I think it was some kind of food poisoning because I was feeling dizzy all day. So literally, yeah, don't get taken in by these like I was buying a lot of watermelon because I have these rabbits here, and it was like I thought, okay, it's such a good fruit, but but really, yeah, it was scary is the word. So that's what, avoid the temptation of buying watermelon. You might as well opt for mangoes or bananas or so many other fruits. So yeah. And now this is my official hairstyle all the time because no sometimes when it's hot, and also it's easier, like if it gets too knot, so then you might as well have a hairstyle like this and just feel then it's easy to manage, right? So yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.